Morning, everybody, and welcome to today's virtual assembly. About a week ago, I asked you to consider us, the student and staff, together, that we are actually Lady Lumleys. Never mind the building and that kind of thing. With all the spread all out throughout Yorkshire, really, we are Lumleys together. And I started to get you to consider about what represents we are Lumleys to you. And I did a kind of mock-up version that you can see there in the background. We are Lumleys in it together. I was really glad that a lot of you have got involved and actually started to produce your own versions of that. And you can see some of those in the background there. Absolutely fantastic. And I really think they really sum up what we're about at Lady Lumleys and what you as the students feel Lady Lumleys represents. So I'd urge you to continue with that, because we're going to make sure that when you return to school that you can see these images all around school, because I think it's really important that we represent to you what you feel about the school. Okay, so please continue to send them in to dfairclough@ladylumleys.net. Really, really proud of what you've done so far, so thank you. The other thing I got you to do is start to have a look at the core values. And behind me there, you can see the all the different things that you've sent in, and the staff as well have sent in. And the bigger the word, the more of you have mentioned it. And you can see it there. So what I've tried to do there is have a lot of visuals there. So first of all, you'll notice that all the different colors represent the house colors, and that's going to be a lot more prominent when you come back in September. We're working on a lot of ideas to combine the core values with the house system. So you can see the colors there, and also it's in the shape of our Lady Lumley's crest. So we're going to take these forward, and we want you to give us some more input in them today and over the next few days, in fact, until Friday. So what I've done is I've taken the most popular 18 core values and I've put them into categories. And what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to vote for your 6 top core values. So as you can see there are 6 categories, and you vote for one of the things that in those categories. Okay, and all of these have come from you. So if you can vote for one of these in each category on the link that's going to be emailed to you by Friday, please. And these, the most popular ones of these, will form our core values that we're taking forward into next year. The words will then lead to actions and then develops into an ethos. So you are helping us all together shape the direction of the school. So I hope that's clear. Again, I'm asking you for 2 things this week. Keep sending through the creations that you've done, the artwork for #WeAreLumleys. And secondly, please, by Friday at 12 o'clock, vote for your 6 core values that are going to form the backbone and the ethos of the school going forward. Thanks very much for listening. Get voting. On Friday, Mr. Healy's got a message for you, so you can look forward to that. Have a great week. Stay safe. Thanks for listening.